Hi, my name is Marcel Kuhns. Welcome to the instructional video of the cartridge rolled refilling process. Today we're focusing on a group of ink cartridges, the PB797subir as well as the Brother LCO2, 21 and 31 style cartridges. Because they share a similar structure and the same process, we will refill one cartridge for the entire group. When refilling these cartridges, you will follow a three-step process: inspect, refill, and package. During each step of the process, you will use the following specialized equipment. Step 1, inspection, clean latex gloves, paper towels, and water. Step 2, refilling, the eco machine, centrifuge, weight guide, cartridge-specific ink, the scale, utility knife, 60 cc syringe, 1.5 inch needle, silicone seal tape, round seals, orange tape, a hack or a coping saw, jeweler's flathead screwdriver. Step 3, packaging. You need the degreaser, Canon orange tape, red sticker indicating pull off before inserting cartridge, cartridge rolled labels, anti-static vapor bag, cartridge rolled box, and heat sealer. Let's begin. Step 1. Inspect the cartridge by cleaning the exterior with water and paper towel. Check for any damage, such as dents or scratches, cracks in the housing, leaks, or any other physical defects. If you see visible damage, discard the cartridge. Don't waste your time and labor to process it. If you buy empties, inspect them so you can return them if they are defective. Set up your eco machine for refilling this batch of cartridge. Currently, within our network, there are 3 versions of the eco machine. The most current version is the Eco Universal 4811. The older versions include the Eco Universal 500 Color Vacuum and Color Vacuum Plus. Step 2, refilling. Check the weight guide to determine the full weight, empty weight, refill volume, and the required ink. Centrifuge the cartridge to drain all the residual ink from the cartridge. Place the egress hole facing outward. Use a one-way spinning process. Spin for 3 minutes at low speed. Weigh the cartridge to make sure it is at the correct weight. Then remove the original equipment manufacturer's label with a utility knife. Carefully unclip each end of the cap with a jeweler's flathead screwdriver. Securely seal the egress and vent hole located on the bottom of the cartridge with orange tape. Apply the tape lengthwise on the bottom of the cartridge. Use a 1.5 inch needle to push through the seal and through the angled hole under the foil or plastic until you will feel the needle drop into the cartridge foam. Remove the needle and place a silicone seal over the punctured hole. Cut the 60 cc syringe at the 50 cc line. Place the 1.5 inch needle on the end of the syringe and insert the syringe into the cartridge. Pour ink in the syringe at the recommended refill volume. Note that the following refill process uses the Eco Vacuum without the Eco ink pumping function. Air is pulled out of the cartridge through the ink, leaving a negative pressure inside the cartridge. Place the syringe and cartridge in the vacuum chamber, then turn the machine on. Turn all inks off, set the timer 0, and close the door. Make sure there are no obstructions in the vacuum chamber door. Turn the vacuum on and then push the start button. When the vacuum starts, all the air is being removed from the vacuum chamber and the cartridge. You can see the air bubbles escape through the syringe. When the vacuum shuts off, the vacuum inside the cartridge pulls ink in the cartridge. Remove the refill needle. Weigh the cartridge to ensure that the desired weight is attained. When the cartridge is at full weight, remove the silicone seal. Clean and seal the punctured hole with round seals. Reattach the top. Remove the orange tape. Let the cartridge sit now for 5 minutes with the egress hole down. This checks the cartridge for leaking. Step 3. Packaging. Wipe off the cartridge exterior using a degreaser such as Formula 409 and then wipe it dry. Place a strip of Canon orange tape over the open egress hole and attach a red sticker indicating "pull off before inserting cartridge" over the orange tape. Affix the Cartridge World label to the cartridge and the box. Insert into the approved anti-static vapor bag and seal it with heat sealer. Insert into an approved Cartridge World box. This concludes the refill instruction for this group. For further information, consult your Cartridge World Technical Support Department or the online library. Thank you.